Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equaser. My name is Ahmed Shamshiri. In this video we are going to use this Casio FX-115ES PLUS second edition scientific calculator to generate table of values of more than one function. Let's get started with this. In many applications you need to create table of values for x and for your function, and let's see. For example, you have f of x minus 4x squared plus 7x plus 2, and you have g of x 3x squared minus x plus 1, and you want to evaluate it with value at starting certain value and it goes up to certain value that stops, and in each you will have certain step. For example, you can start with x equal 1, 2, 3, 4, x equal 1 up to x equal 10 and step of 1. If it is step of 1, you go x equal 1, 2, 3 and 4. If it is 2, then it will be 1, 3, 5 and so forth. To go for table, we press this button and select number 7, table. I'm pressing 7, and here it says f of x. Let's enter minus. For minus I'm using this button here, 4, and these alpha and these letters in red, these are our variables which we can use. In this case, because our variable is x, I'm using x, and in order to use these red we will press alpha. So I'm pressing alpha and then x and then squared plus 7 alpha x plus 2. First equation is done exactly as you write it on your notebook, and then g of x 3x squared 3 alpha x squared minus alpha x plus 1, and then press equal sign. Here it asks you what is the start. Let's start with 1, and what is the end? Let's start end with 6, and then in step. For this example, now I'm going to go with step of 1, and then let me show you later with other value with step of 1. So which means x goes 1, 2, 3 and so forth. And here this is our iteration 1, 2, 3, and these are our x value and f of x evaluated for this function, and we have that value, and then g of x have been evaluated. And from here you can go low. When you bring the cursor, also whichever field is highlighted, you will see the value. I can go on the right side as well, so you can read it. But if I go down, as you can see, we have reached up to 6. We have values. Now if I press equal sign, I press all clear, we come back to the same screen. Let's say we are not changing our equation. Press equal sign, go to g of x, press equal sign. Now let's start with 5 and then end with 37, and step, let's say 3, equal sign. And this is our iteration 1, 2, 3, and these are our x value which starts with 5. If you cannot read that, look at it here. Plus 3 is 8, and then 11, and each time x is used in this equation to evaluate the equation. So x is replaced with these values, and we have the value when x is 5, f of x is minus 63, and g of x is 71 and so forth. To exit, press mode and then 1. You will be out of the table screen. To access all my other videos related for this calculator, please check the link below the video in the description. Thank you for watching. This was how to use this Casio FX-115ES PLUS second edition scientific calculator. If you learned something and found this useful, please thumb up, as this will help my video in the search algorithm of YouTube. If you have comment or question, please post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. And don't forget to subscribe so you get updates of my upcoming videos. And the answer is 7/3, and this is our integration, and the area under the curve shows like this. So from 1 to 2, and As you can see, the answer is 2.333.